Your first paycheck hits your account, and suddenly you feel invincible. You start buying those sneakers you wanted, ordering premium Swiggy every night, and treating your friends. But then the last week of the month hits. You check your bank balance, and it's zero. No savings, no backup, just pure stress until the next payday. Look, that is not how you manage your first salary. When you receive your paycheck, you need to use the 503020 rule. It's a simple, stress-free way to divide your money into 3 distinct buckets: needs, wants, and savings. Bucket 1 is 50% for your needs. This is your non-negotiable survival money. Rent, basic groceries, electricity, and your daily commute. These are the bills you absolutely have to pay to keep your life running. Bucket 2 is 30% for your wants. You still get to enjoy life. This is your guilt-free fund for dining out, weekend trips, and buying those new gadgets without feeling anxious. Finally, the most important bucket, 20% for savings. You pay your future self first. This is for your emergency fund and your investments. This 20% is the money that actually builds your wealth. Don't let your month-end bank balance hit zero ever again. Subscribe to Finance Basically for more such videos.